Ayubowan and welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we're taking you to the beautiful southern coast of Sri Lanka, where luxury meets tropical bliss. Welcome to Weligama Bay Marriott Resort and Spa, one of the finest oceanfront resorts in the country. From the moment you step inside Weligama Bay Marriott Resort and Spa, you are greeted by a sense of elegance and tranquility. This five-star resort blends modern luxury with local Sri Lankan culture, making it the perfect destination for relaxation and indulgence. Whether you're here for a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a business retreat, this resort offers world-class service and facilities in a stunning tropical setting. Let's take a look at the stunning rooms here at Weligama Bay Marriott. These oceanfront suites are designed to maximize the beauty of the location, with panoramic views of the Indian Ocean right from your bed. And this private balcony, ideal for enjoying a morning coffee or an evening cocktail as you watch the waves roll in. It doesn't get more relaxing than this. One of the highlights of the Marriott Weligama is its stunning pool area. Whether you're taking a refreshing dip, relaxing by the water, or enjoying the sun, this pool offers the perfect escape. And with direct access to Weligama's pristine beach, you can easily switch between poolside relaxation and seaside adventures. Surf, swim, or simply take a walk along the golden sands. It's all right here. At Weligama Bay Marriott, dining is an experience in itself. From fresh seafood to authentic Sri Lankan curries and international cuisine, the culinary options here are endless. Enjoy all-day dining at the main restaurant, or treat yourself to a fine dining experience at one of the specialty restaurants. And don't forget to try the local delicacies. Sri Lankan flavors are something truly special. The seafood here, especially the fresh catch from Weligama Bay, is a must-try. For those looking to unwind, the Marriott Spa offers a range of treatments that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. From traditional Ayurvedic massages to modern wellness therapies, there's something for everyone. Relax in one of the private treatment rooms or enjoy a couple's spa experience. Either way, you'll leave feeling completely pampered. Weligama is famous for its waves, making it a great spot for beginner and experienced surfers alike. The Marriott offers surf lessons and equipment rentals, so you can dive right into the action. And if surfing isn't your thing, there's plenty more to explore, from whale watching tours to visits to the nearby historic Galle Fort or the tea plantations of Sri Lanka's southern coast. Weligama Bay Marriott is also the perfect family destination. With a dedicated kids club, family-friendly dining options, and plenty of children's activities, parents and kids can enjoy a memorable vacation here. From movie nights to arts and crafts, the little ones are always entertained while parents can take a well-deserved break. As the day winds down, Weligama Bay Marriott transforms into a romantic paradise. Whether you're enjoying a candlelit dinner by the beach or sipping cocktails as the sun sets, the evenings here are truly magical. If you're looking for the perfect blend of luxury, adventure, and relaxation, Weligama Bay Marriott Resort and Spa is your ultimate destination. Whether you're here to surf the waves, indulge in world-class dining, or simply relax by the beach, this resort has everything you need for a memorable vacation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sri Lanka Sanchare for more incredible travel experiences across Sri Lanka. Until next time, Ayubowan.